ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 89 ஸ்லோகா 6. பத்ரம் தே சாகுநேய பிரமசி கிமதுனா த்வம் பிசாசஸ்ய வாசா சந்தேகः சேன்மதுக்தௌ தவ கிமுன கரோஷி அங்குலிம் அங்கமௌலௌ இத்தம் த்வத்வாக்யமூடக சிரசி கிருதகரக சோபதச்சின்ன பாதம் பிரம்ஷோ ஹ்யேவம் பரோபாசிதுஹு அபி ச கதிஹி ஷூலினோபி த்வமேவ. Word by word meaning. He Shakuneya, O son of Shakuni. Te Badram, may you be well. Tvam, you. Adhuna, now. Pishachasya Vacha, on the words of a ghost. Kim Brahmasi, why are you running about? Anga, O dear one. Madhuktau, in my words. Sandehaha Chet, if there is doubt. Tava Maulau, on your head. Angulim Kimuna Karoshi, why do you not place your fingers? Ittam, in this way. Tvad Vakyamudaha, fooled by thy words. Saha, he. Shirasi Kritakaraha, placing his hand on his head. Chinnapatam Apatat, fell down like an uprooted tree. Paropasituhu, for one who worships other deities. Evam hi Bramshaha, such is the destruction. Apicha, besides. Shulinaha api, of even Shiva. Tvam eva gatihi, thou alone art the refuge. Full meaning. Thou didst tell that Ashura, O son of Shakuni, may you be well. Why are you now running about, relying on the words of that ghost? O dear one, if you doubt my word, why do you not place your fingers on your head and see? Fooled by these words of thine, he placed his hand on his own head and fell down dead like an uprooted tree. Such is the fate of those who worship other deities. Besides, thou alone art the refuge of even Shiva. Om Tat Sat.